I don't have glue. Oh no.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Mariah, and if it's not, welcome back. I'm glad you came back. Before we get this video started, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every time I post. Also, make sure you go and follow my Instagram, which I'm gonna put right up here and in the description below. And yeah, let's get this video started. So today's video is gonna be all about habit tracking and how to do it and what my personal habit tracking is like. I'm no professional. I really just do what's best for me, and I kind of wanted to share that. 2020 for me was all about being more productive and doing more things I love to do, and also getting in shape and stuff like that. Just setting positive goals and habit tracking. So how do I do it? Basically, I've been using these little charts, which I'll show you a close-up of it in just a minute, to track things like eating out, how often I work out, how often I post to YouTube, stuff like that. It's just habits that you do every day or should be doing every day, and they help you stay productive and also keep track of it. But today I'm gonna be putting these charts into one of these notebooks. I haven't decided which one to use yet though, and it's so hard, I love them both. I think I'm gonna choose this one though, just because it's one, write it down, it's super cute, I love it, I got it for Easter, and it's a bullet journal. So I think it'll be easier to put the charts in here and also just keep track of them in here. So I think I'm gonna choose this one. However, look at this other journal I have. I literally, when I saw it, it says Busy Bee, and in the inside, it's just a little notebook. So I think I'm gonna use this one more as, I don't know, I have to decide. I am a notebook hoarder because I just love notebooks like so much, especially little cute ones like these. I have so many notebooks. I need to figure out what I want to do with them all, but I think I'm going to put these charts in here and keep tracking on. Anyway, I'm gonna move over to my desk, which I will do an overhead shot of how I'm doing this, but basically we're gonna put these into here today. Of course, we can't start the day off without a sip of my macchiato in my boot mug. Now let's move over to my desk. Okay, so what I'm gonna use for this video is my tape, my notebook, my pens, and obviously my trackers that we're gonna put in here. Here are kind of what the trackers look like. So this one is for eating out. I have one for working out, one for moods, which I just found something on Pinterest with the colors to use for which mood, not drinking pop, and uploading to YouTube. I've been really bad for like the last 2 weeks filling them in, but hopefully this notebook will make this easier. Anyway, this is what they look like. If you want the template, let me know. But basically all it is, I have an empty one right here. What an empty one looks like is I have all of the months going this way, and then all the days of the month going down. And the months that have less days, those boxes are filled in. I have to double check on some of these when I did or didn't do these things because I was bad for the last like 2 weeks tracking them. But I know I did April 8th post to YouTube. Go check it out. And so I will take my blue, which blue means I posted and red means I didn't. So as you can see, the first few months were not great, but I'm getting back into the habit here. And so blue is good. And April 8th, I know I posted. So what I do, you can cross it out, you can draw flowers, you can draw whatever you want in there. I choose to fill it all the way in just because I feel like it fits me more and I can see it better. But that's kind of what you do for those. But for the last few weeks, I've had these just kind of separated, and it'll be nice to get them into a central location. So let's start on that. But I'm gonna leave this first page for like a little, you know, title page. This page too, because I don't know what I want to do with that. But we're going to start on this page. I'm going to count how many I have first, that way I can do this logically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I start here, then I can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. I'm going to start by figuring out which one I want on this first one. I feel like I want my moods on the first one just because that's something that is actually I track a lot, or I try to track better. I'm just gonna flip it over and I'm gonna take my tape. Oh, or should I glue it? I should probably glue it, shouldn't I? Found glue. I'm gonna put this on the back of this. And now I'm gonna take this. Oh, I should have figured out where was center. Guys, this is a learning process for you and for me. So we have think that's even 3 and 3. It looks even side to side. Oh, just a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to spread it out and make sure all the edges are down. I should put it down further so that way I can put a title up here. I know for the next page, I'm gonna go back around because I don't like corners popping up, and just make sure all the corners are down. This one is not. I'm just gonna go up here. I know this is like a tiny little thing, but okay. So first one is in. This is health. For right now, I'm just gonna leave this on here so that way I don't get them mixed up. On to the next page. So the next page, I think I'm going to do my health ones. My working out and not drinking pop, because these are two things I'm really working on. Not drinking pop because it's just good for you, and then working out because obviously that's good for you too. And I'm a dancer, so I kind of need to kick my booty a little bit. So I'm going to do the same thing with these two. Okay, those are done. Now let's go to the final page of things I have, which is eating out and uploading to YouTube. I'm gonna put eating here and then uploading YouTube right here, just because that's how I kind of want to do it. This is closer to health stuff, and this is closer to just something different. Again, repeat the process. Okay, so we've got them glued in. I'm just gonna put the cap back on my glue. But now I kind of want to go back in and fill in the days that I did these things and the days that I didn't. Pro tip, make sure you stay up on this. That can even be another one of these, which I might do. But I'm gonna go back through and color in the days I did and didn't do these things. Onto this one, not drinking pops. So this weekend was Easter, so I'm gonna have more of the red ones for this one, which means I did drink pop. So today is the 14th. So Easter would have been the 12th. So I'm going to go in and fill in the rest of these green. Okay, so this one is now filled in up to today. So on to the next one. So eating out and uploading to YouTube. So eating out, I haven't eaten out since I've gotten home, just because I haven't had a reason to. So I haven't really eaten out at all, which is good because it's saving me money. But I'm gonna go ahead and fill all of these in and then go on to the YouTube. Okay, this one is filled in, and now it's YouTube. So YouTube, I upload every Wednesday, or I'm trying to. So I know I uploaded the 1st of April. And then I uploaded the 8th. And then tomorrow, when this video goes up, I will be posting this one right here, coloring in that one. But otherwise, I'm gonna color the rest of those in red. Okay. So that is all of YouTube. That is all of them. I filled them all in and caught them up to date. But as you can see, it looks so cool to visually see like your habits and if you made progress. For example, this first part of the year, I only went to the gym, you know, every so often. But this next part, I started going every single day, and it really shows with the colors, and I enjoy that because I'm a visual learner. I think the best one for me that I feel the most accomplished right now is YouTube. Yes, it started off 2 months of absolutely nothing, but now I'm starting to see the blue dot appear every, 8 days or every 7 days once I post, and I hope to keep that up going on. So the next step would be putting titles on them instead of these sticky notes, but I need to do a little bit more research on how to do more of that fun lettering and artsy drawing stuff because I'm not an artist. So this will kind of push my artistic skills, which would be kind of fun. But anyway, here's the final product for what we've done today. So that is kind of what I wanted to do today, was get all of those into this notebook. As you can see, she is done and looking really nice. I have to get these taken out and put the titles in there, but that's kind of what I wanted to do today. Hopefully this will help me keep track of things a lot better and habits I want to break, and also goals I kind of want to set through charting, because it helps me as a visual learner see versus just know that I did it, if that makes sense. Like I said, I'm no professional in this type of thing. It's just something that has been helping me try to stay more productive, and also in this quarantine has really helped me kind of stay on track with my goals and things. So yeah, if you want to use this, go for it. Try to keep up on this every single day. I know it gets crazy, life gets crazy. I totally understand. I literally just forgot to do it for 2 weeks and got behind on it. So I could create a habit tracker chart for my habit tracker journal. So that's something, again, an idea. But try to keep up on it every single day, because it will at least make you think of your goals more frequently, and again, it'll visually help you see you start achieving your goals. For example, YouTube. Take this off. Oh, sorry guys, this was bothering me, not gonna lie. But anyway, I highly recommend this. I am gonna try to start keeping up with this and creating more pages with like my goals and like Disney movies I've watched, and just like bullet list journals and monthly things. And I'm gonna do more Pinteresting on it, so that way I can start putting this little journal together, because I already know I love it so much. Anyways, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and most importantly, staying sane, which I know can be really crazy right now. But as I said in my last video, I'm sending positive vibes to all of you through this camera, the internet, wherever you're watching from. I hope you guys are doing well. But keep the positivity and try to find something you enjoy doing, such as starting a tracker journal, a dotted journal. I don't know what they're called. I think it's a dotted journal. Yeah, wow. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, so that way every time I post you get a notification. Also, comment below with what you want to see next time, because I am looking for any new content ideas you guys want to see. Anyways, we will see you next time. Bye! Hopefully I got a thumbnail in there.